Hello students, now our first topic is soil and as an important natural resource. Soil is also an important natural resource. It supports plant life and vegetation. It is renewable natural resource. It is very important question has been asked many times that soil is a renewable natural resource. Why? Because soil formation is a continuous process. It is a slow process, but soil formation is a continuous process. Few centimeter layer of soil takes millions of years to be formed. It means that soil formed through weathering and deposition. So weathering, deposition, it means soil erosion and soil formation is continuously and simultaneously process. So that's why soil is an important renewable natural resource. Almost agriculture activities are performed on soil, and the production of agriculture depends on the fertility of soil. So we cannot neglect the importance of soil, because soil supports plant and vegetations, and also it is a major component or organ of ecosystem. Now we study about the structure of soil, means soil found in various layer. So this is the structure of soil. The top soil is found as the top layer. It means that top soil is very important and most fertile soil. Whatever agriculture activities are performed, it is performed on top soil. So the production of agriculture is depend on the fertility of top soil. Top soil is also known as upper soil layer. So top soil is very important for plant growth and vegetation. Second layer is subsoil. In subsoil, all weather, rock, sand and silt clay, which means that this layer contain moisture. Silt, clay and groundwater also contain in this soil. So we can say that this is subsoil. Subsoil also helps to support plant growth and vegetation. But if we take the importance, then topsoil is most important. And if we study the which soil renewed or which soil eroded, then you can say topsoil always renewed and eroded. Afterwards, subsoil is also known as the second layer of soil, which contains silt and clay. Afterwards, parent rock means it is the third layer of soil. It contains parent rock material. It means that some stone pebbles are found in this soil, and lowermost soil layer is known as unweathered parent rock. It means it is the fourth layer of soil which is deep underground, and weathered parent bedrock are found in this layer. If we study about the mineral availability, then these two layers contain minerals. Most of the minerals, metallic minerals, contain these two layer, and fossil fuel means coal, petroleum, natural gas also contain this layer. So we can say that stone pebbles and all major minerals are found in this two layer, means third and fourth layer. And all agriculture vegetation activities are performed in first and second layer. So like a onion, soil is found in various layer. I am repeating all points. We are studying the soil and its importance. Soil is also an important natural resource which support plant and vegetation. After land, soil is most important natural resource, because all agriculture activities are performed on soil, and whatever agriculture production we are getting, it is depend on the fertility of soil. It is it is renewable natural resource, means soil renewed and reproduce every year. It means that soil renewed means soil can be formed by two process, weathering and deposition. So we can say that soil formation and soil erosion is continuous and simultaneously process. It is formed by various agents such as wind and water. Now we are going to study about the structure of soil. So soil is found in four layers: the top soil, subsoil, parent rock and unweathered parent rock. Top soil is most important layer of soil, because all agriculture activities are performed in on top soil, and this soil always eroded by wind and water. Subsoil is second layer of soil. In this, moisture, silt, clay and some small pebbles and some rocks are found. Third layer contain parent rock material, and fourth layer contain unweathered parent bedrock. It means that these two layers contain large amount of minerals and rock particles. Thank you.